All right. This is going to be hopefully rather quick. It's just an announcement I was going to make regarding kind of this channel, but kind of not. First of all, let me know if you can hear me, if anybody's here. This will also be moved from the live tab on YouTube to the videos tab. After I'm maybe tomorrow or maybe later tonight. I don't know. Also, I have a huge download going on in the background. So if I'm cutting out or anything sounds wonky, please let me know. So the reason I'm on here is to tell you that I have created a new channel. It's going to be different with a little bit of the same stuff. I haven't decided yet. I'll tell you what the other channel is going to be about, but it could incorporate stuff like solar panels and wind turbines and, homesteading type stuff. If that's the case, I may post it to both channels, but the stuff made for the other channel will not be posted on this channel. So if you want to join the other channel, and I'll tell you what it's about and where you can find it shortly. The other channel, the new channel, is going to be a collaborative effort between me and a friend. Um, and it's not going to be about showing our faces or anything. It's going to be a lot of, I don't know how you say this, like first person view, either wearing GoPros or having GoPros on rifles. We also have thermal and night vision scopes and scope mounts. So you'll actually be able to see video as if you're looking through the rifle scopes. Um, and the reason I'm making another channel is because this channel is really badly shadow banned. And we think the information that we're putting out or going to be putting out is pretty important. And so I don't want to make it, I've got there's like 35,000 ish subscribers to this channel, and the videos get like 200 views or less. So clearly, I'm going to need to make this other channel in hopes of not being immediately on their naughty list, and maybe people will see it. So the other channel is going to be like first person shooting. So whether we're on we built a rifle and a pistol range on the property here, and we will have first person scope mount views of shooting steel targets, but also night vision. We may do some steel target shooting in the dark with thermal, because we have let me think, one, two, at least four, if not five, maybe six infrared night vision scopes with that record, and two thermal scopes that record. So we do plan on doing things like rabbit and coyote hunting, varmint hunting, basically, but you'll have the point of view of what the scope is seeing, and also trapping, like live traps, also like dog safe, like coyote traps and stuff like that. Um, Raccoons, maybe a badger. I don't know. Like I said, fox. We're going to start, like I said, trapping and hunting, but a lot of the channel is going to be focused on night vision, being able to see in the dark, whether it be infrared or thermal. and there's probably going to be a lot of rounds fired on that channel. And it's not going to be, I don't want people, I'm not going to put that stuff on this channel. So I don't want people to get confused where I'm doing, maybe solar or shipping container modification, some of the stuff I'm doing right now. And then all of a sudden see like these night vision shooting things and go, what is going on? So it's going to have its own dedicated channel. And like I said, I want people to be able to see the videos because there's a lot of time and expense and effort put into this technology with the infrared and the thermal scope cameras and all that stuff. So I'd rather, Lord willing, it gets more than 150 views per video, at least at some point. So the other channel is called Bentgate Ranch, and I don't know if I have any sort of, I think I have an image. Let me see if I have one. See, I did. Well, this is a PNG file. I don't know if it's going to show up transparent. It may not, so I'll put it up anyway. I don't care, just so you can understand that it's Bentgate Ranch. So that's the name of the other channel, and the link to that channel is in the description of this video. So that's the easiest way to get into it. You can also go to YouTube in the search bar and type in Bentgate Ranch, and this is pretty much the first thing that's going to pop up. We did select a name that we don't have to compete with a bunch of other channels called Bentgate Ranch because we're the only one. But right now, there's no videos on it. So if you're interested in, shooting type videos, hunting, trapping, especially using night vision and thermal and stuff like that, then I would suggest, if you want to, subscribe to the channel and then click on notifications so that you'll know once we start posting videos. What I was thinking about doing was getting a collection of a bunch of footage before anything really gets posted. And that way, when I do start putting videos on that channel, you might get 2, 3, 4, 5 videos, basically one right after another. Because it is time consuming to go out at night. Everything's got to have batteries and they're charged, and you got to know where you're going and have all the stuff and record in the dark and hopefully get something good and then edit it. So I kind of want a buffer of videos, or at least footage that I can make into several videos, so that when the first video hits, it'll be more than just one video to watch. Hopefully I'll have somewhere between 2 and 5. So if you're interested, go in the description, click the link to the channel, and go ahead and subscribe and put notifications on, because I don't know yet exactly. Oh, there's probably also going to be drone footage on that one. A lot more drone footage, because between the two of us, we have like 5 drones. And so that's going to be incorporated. So you're going to get drone footage, infrared night vision, thermal night vision, target shooting, trapping. I don't know, whatever we come up with. But it's going to be more active as far as going out and doing stuff, as opposed to just a video saying, here's what we've done with the shipping containers. I got my 3rd shipping container, and my friend has 1. So we have 4 shipping containers on the property. Each one kind of has a different purpose. And the newest one, we're doing some pretty cool stuff to it. So that's something you may want to follow. And that might go on both channels, just to get some content on the other channel. And it's sort of kind of related, because of what we're doing with the shipping container is going to be related. So that'll be on there as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to to cover that and let people know that there's going to be another channel that is a little different, and I really want it not to be shadow banned, because that kind of sucks when I put out a video that has some good stuff in it that could be helpful to somebody, but because some clown didn't like, something I posted 4 years ago, you and others are not able to see those videos because they're not recommended, or I don't know. I guess you got to dig for them, or at least subscribe to the channel and look through it and see if there's anything new. I haven't put too much on there yet on this channel recently because I got the new shipping container, and it's been a lot of work because this is going to be different than what you probably pops in your head when you think shipping container. This one is going to have some pretty cool stuff going on in it. So if you're interested in those things, let me know. A lot of work's going into the shipping containers. We have to level them. The truck drops them off, or I tell them to, and then I live in the desert, and it's bumpy and hilly, and nothing's level. So we have to jack up the shipping containers, put stuff under there, level them out. And that's before any of the external and internal work for what we're making out of it even began. We had to get them level, and that's cool. So there's a lot of work going into it. Hopefully you will enjoy the new channel. Again, the link will be in the description. If you like videos with pew pew type stuff, but especially in complete darkness with thermal and infrared optics, as well as drone footage, GoPros, etc. And if you like it, and then you see something on one of those videos and say, hey, what are you using there? Like, what is that? Then maybe we'll even add videos showing some of the actual items that go into making videos where you can record all kinds of stuff in complete darkness. Trust me when I tell you that, especially the thermal camera or thermal scope that we each have, just those alone are incredible to look at the video. The things you can see from a great distance in complete darkness is fascinating. But all right, everybody, take care. God bless.